Many homeowners want more privacy in their backyard, but don't want to wait decades for trees to mature or spend thousands on tall fences. To transform an exposed yard into a peaceful, beautiful outdoor retreat where they can relax without feeling overlooked. Which trees actually grow quickly enough to create privacy, and which ones become problems later because of weak branches, invasive roots, or constant maintenance? By the end of this video, viewers will know which privacy trees are genuinely worth planting, where they grow best, how fast they mature, and how to avoid expensive mistakes. There's a moment almost every homeowner experiences. You step outside with a cup of coffee, hoping to enjoy a quiet morning. But before you even sit down, you notice your neighbor looking over the fence. The kids next door are playing. Someone across the street can see straight into your patio. Suddenly, your peaceful backyard doesn't feel very private anymore. Many people solve that problem by building a taller fence. Others spend thousands on walls, screens, or elaborate landscaping. But here's what experienced gardeners know. The most beautiful privacy screen isn't built. It's grown. A carefully chosen tree doesn't just block unwanted views. It cools your yard during summer, softens wind, attracts birds, and adds beauty that improves with every passing year. The challenge is choosing the right one. Some fast-growing trees become weak and messy. Others outgrow small spaces or develop roots that create problems near sidewalks, patios, or foundations. But a handful strike an excellent balance between speed, beauty, and long-term reliability. Today, we'll explore 5 trees that can help transform an exposed backyard into a peaceful green sanctuary. Along the way, we'll also cover where each tree grows best, how much space it needs, and the simple planting tips that make all the difference. And don't miss the final tree. It's one of the most versatile privacy trees you can grow, thriving in a surprisingly wide range of climates, while providing year-round beauty. Let's get started. Number 1. Green giant arborvitae, the fast-growing living wall. If you've ever admired a backyard that seems completely surrounded by lush green walls, there's a good chance green giant arborvitae played a role. Imagine tall, graceful evergreens standing shoulder to shoulder. Their dense sprays of rich emerald foliage remain vibrant throughout the seasons, creating a soft, natural screen that gently sways in the breeze instead of looking harsh like a wooden fence. It's easy to understand why this tree has become one of the most popular privacy choices in North America. Gardeners love it because it combines several qualities that are rarely found together. It grows relatively quickly, often adding around 3 to 5 feet of growth each year under favorable conditions while the tree is young. Its naturally pyramidal shape requires little pruning. It stays green throughout winter, providing privacy even when deciduous trees have lost their leaves. Unlike some fast-growing trees that become weak or brittle, green giant arborvitae generally develops a strong structure when grown in suitable conditions. One of its biggest practical benefits is that it creates privacy much sooner than many slower-growing evergreens. Instead of waiting decades, homeowners often begin noticing a significant screen within several years after planting, depending on the size of the young trees they start with. Beginners also appreciate that it's fairly forgiving once established. It tolerates a variety of soils as long as drainage is good, and generally performs best with full sun to partial shade. You'll often see it recommended for USDA zones 5 through 8. If you're unfamiliar with USDA zones, they're a guide based on the average coldest winter temperatures in an area. Zone 5 experiences colder winters than Zone 8, so this range means green giant arborvitae can handle fairly cold climates, while also thriving in many mild temperate regions. One important gardening tip is to avoid planting these trees too close together. It can be tempting to create an instant hedge, but overcrowding reduces airflow and limits their mature shape. Most gardeners space them about 5 to 8 feet apart for a solid privacy screen over time. The memorable takeaway? A little patience with proper spacing creates a living wall that only becomes more impressive each year. Number 2. Nelly R. Holly, beauty that works all year. Some privacy trees do more than block unwanted views. They become a focal point in the landscape. Nelly R. Holly is one of them. Picture glossy, deep green leaves catching the morning sunlight. As autumn fades into winter, clusters of brilliant red berries appear, creating a striking contrast against the evergreen foliage while attracting songbirds that brighten even the quietest garden. Unlike many deciduous trees, this holly keeps its leaves all year, ensuring your backyard remains private in every season. That's one reason gardeners value it so highly. Another is its balanced growth. While it grows at a respectable pace, often around 2 to 3 feet per year under good conditions, it also develops a naturally dense habit that requires relatively little shaping. The surprising part is how adaptable it can be. It tolerates heat better than many evergreen species and can handle urban conditions surprisingly well once established. That makes it an excellent option for suburban landscapes where summer temperatures can become intense. Nelly R. Stevens holly generally grows best in USDA zones 6 through 9. Remember, USDA zones simply indicate how cold winters typically become. Zones 6 to 9 include many temperate and warmer regions where winter temperatures are moderate enough for this holly to remain healthy year after year. For the healthiest growth, choose a location with full sun or partial shade and well-drained soil. Although mature plants become fairly drought-tolerant, regular watering during the first growing season helps establish a strong root system. Here's one more benefit many homeowners appreciate. Because of its dense branching, this hole not only creates privacy but can also reduce noise slightly by helping soften sounds from nearby roads or neighboring properties. Its memorable lesson is simple. Sometimes the best privacy screen is also one of the most beautiful plants in the garden. Number 3. Eastern Red Cedar, nature's tough privacy wall. At first glance, the Eastern Red Cedar may not seem flashy, but step closer, and you'll notice its dense sprays of deep green foliage with hints of blue, giving it a rugged beauty that looks right at home in both country landscapes and suburban yards. As the breeze moves through its branches, it creates a soft whispering sound that somehow makes a backyard feel calmer and more secluded. Here's what most people don't realize. Despite its name, Eastern Red Cedar isn't a true cedar at all. It's actually a species of juniper. That little botanical surprise doesn't change one important fact. This tree is one of the toughest privacy screens you can plant. Gardeners love it because it handles conditions that would stress many other trees. Poor soil? No problem. Dry summers? It keeps going. Wind? It barely notices. That's why you'll often see mature specimens thriving along old farms, open fields, and rural properties decades after they were planted. One of its biggest strengths is its naturally dense branching. Birds quickly discover this and begin using it as a safe nesting place, filling your yard with cheerful songs while enjoying the shelter you've unknowingly created. For beginners, Eastern Red Cedar is refreshingly forgiving. Once established, it rarely demands constant watering or pampering. It grows best in USDA zones 2 through 9. That means it tolerates extremely cold winters all the way through much warmer regions. If you're unfamiliar with USDA zones, think of them as a guide that matches plants to the average winter temperatures where you live, helping you choose varieties that are most likely to survive year after year. Plant it where it receives full sunlight and avoid areas with constantly wet soil, since good drainage keeps its roots healthy. One useful tip is to avoid planting this tree too close to apple orchards if you live in an area where cedar apple rust is common, since the disease can alternate between cedar and apple trees. The memorable takeaway? Sometimes the toughest trees become the most dependable neighbors. Number 4. Emerald Green Arborvitae, the elegant living fence. Imagine looking out your kitchen window and seeing a row of perfectly shaped emerald columns standing like natural pillars along your property line. That's the charm of Emerald Green Arborvitae. Unlike larger evergreen giants, these trees maintain a refined, narrow shape that works beautifully in smaller suburban backyards. Their rich green foliage stays attractive through all 4 seasons, creating privacy without overwhelming the landscape. The surprising part is that these trees require surprisingly little pruning to maintain their elegant appearance. Gardeners appreciate how quickly a row of young arborvitae transforms into a living wall. Within just a few growing seasons, neighboring windows begin disappearing behind soft green foliage. It's privacy without building a fence. It's beautiful without constant maintenance. For new gardeners, they're among the easiest evergreen hedging trees to manage because their naturally compact habit means less trimming compared to many fast-growing alternatives. They grow best in USDA zones 3 through 8. In simple terms, these zones include areas with cold winters and warm summers, making emerald green arborvitae suitable for much of the United States and many other temperate regions with similar climates. They enjoy full sun to partial shade and prefer consistently moist, well-drained soil. One helpful gardening trick is to water deeply during dry spells in the first couple of years. Deep watering encourages stronger root systems that help the trees handle future drought much better. Here's something many homeowners don't expect. During snowy winters, Gently brushing heavy snow from the branches can prevent them from bending outward under the weight. A little attention during winter can preserve their beautiful upright form for years. The takeaway? Good privacy doesn't have to feel bulky. It can look elegant too. The final tree on our list proves something every experienced gardener eventually learns. Privacy isn't only about blocking what you don't want to see. It's about creating a place where you actually want to spend time. And this last tree does exactly that. Number 5. Clumping bamboo, the fastest natural privacy screen. Imagine stepping into your backyard just a couple of years after planting and feeling like you've entered a peaceful garden hidden from the outside world. Tall green canes sway gently overhead. Long, narrow leaves flutter in the breeze with a soft, rustling sound that almost drowns out traffic and neighborhood noise. The space suddenly feels cooler, quieter, more relaxing. That's the magic of clumping bamboo. Now, before anyone rushes to the comments, here's something incredibly important. We're talking about clumping bamboo, not running bamboo. Running bamboo spreads aggressively through underground rhizomes and can quickly become difficult to control if not properly contained. Clumping bamboo behaves very differently. It expands slowly from the center in tidy clusters, making it much easier for most home gardeners to manage. That one distinction changes everything. It's one reason so many landscape designers choose clumping varieties for residential gardens. What gardeners love most is speed. While many traditional privacy trees need several years before creating meaningful coverage, many clumping bamboo species can add several feet of height each growing season under favorable conditions. Few living screens can match that pace. Another surprising benefit is flexibility. Unlike bulky, evergreen trees that permanently occupy a large footprint, bamboo creates excellent screening while using relatively little ground space. That makes it especially valuable for narrow side yards, patios, pool areas, and small suburban lots where every square foot matters. The graceful vertical canes also create movement in the landscape. Instead of forming one solid wall, they filter sunlight into beautiful shifting patterns that change throughout the day. It feels alive, it feels peaceful, and it never looks static. Most clumping bamboo grows well in USDA zones 7 through 10. That means it's best suited to regions with mild winters and warm summers, where temperatures rarely stay below freezing for long periods. Gardeners in colder climates can still enjoy some cold hardy bamboo varieties, but choosing species suited to your local zone is essential for long-term success. They generally prefer full sun to partial shade with rich, well-drained soil. During the first year, regular watering helps establish strong roots. Afterward, many varieties become far more drought-tolerant than people expect. Here's a tip experienced bamboo growers often share. Add a generous layer of organic mulch around the base. Mulch helps conserve soil moisture, suppress weeds, moderate soil temperatures, and slowly enrich the soil as it breaks down. Healthy roots mean healthier canes, and healthier canes mean a denser privacy screen. Sometimes the fastest way to create peace is simply planting something that grows toward it. If you've watched this far, you've probably realized there isn't one perfect privacy tree for everyone. The best choice depends on your climate, available space, and how quickly you want results. If you need year-round evergreen coverage with very little maintenance, green giant Arborvitae is difficult to beat. If your backyard is small but you still want beauty and privacy, Skip Laurel offers glossy foliage, seasonal flowers, and berries for wildlife. If you need a tree that thrives through harsh winters, dry summers, and challenging conditions, Eastern Red Cedar has earned its reputation over generations. If elegance matters just as much as privacy, Emerald Green Arborvitae creates a refined living fence that looks neat with minimal pruning. And if speed is your top priority, carefully chosen clumping bamboo can transform an exposed backyard into a secluded retreat much faster than many traditional trees. The real secret smart gardeners understand is this: they don't plant for next weekend, they plant for next summer, for 5 years from now. For the countless mornings, they'll enjoy coffee surrounded by birdsong instead of busy streets. Every tree you plant today becomes a gift to your future self. Imagine walking outside a few seasons from now. Instead of staring directly into neighboring windows, you're greeted by vibrant green foliage. The wind rustles softly through the branches. Butterflies drift from leaf to leaf. Birds sing from hidden nests. The air feels cooler. The yard feels calmer. And what was once an open space has become your own peaceful outdoor sanctuary. That's the quiet power of planting the right tree. Which of these 5 privacy trees would you plant first? Have you already grown one of them, or do you have another favorite that deserves a place on this list? Share your experiences in the comments below. Your ideas might help another gardener choose the perfect tree for their own backyard. And if you enjoyed discovering practical, easy-to-follow gardening tips like these, be sure to subscribe. Every week, we explore smarter ways to grow healthier gardens, create beautiful outdoor spaces, and make gardening simpler, more rewarding, and more enjoyable for everyone. Until next time, happy gardening, and remember, the best time to plant a tree was years ago. The second best time is today.